Hi guys, you're highly welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuel, and in this tutorial I'll be taking you on a step-by-step guide on how to download and install WAMP server on Windows 10 operating system. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please endeavor to do so by clicking on the subscription button, and also remember to click on the notification icon so that whenever I release an important video just like this one, YouTube will notify you that I've released an important video that you need to watch. Alright, let's quickly dive into today's tutorial. Before you can install WAMP server, you first need to download it. And so for we to get started on downloading our WAMP server, we need to select our favorite browser and go to the search box and type WAMP server. And here we are. And as we can see on the first link on the page is a link to the official website of WAMP server. So I'll just look for the link. When the page look for the one that carries www.wampserver.com and click on that. And here we are, and click on download button, and here we have two options. The first option is WAMP server 64-bit, and the second option is WAMP server 32-bit. If your system is a 64-bit machine, then you have to go with this option. But if otherwise your system is 32-bit machine, you have to go with this one. So my system is a 64-bit machine, so I will click on here, and here we are. And I will just go directly and click on you can download it directly. So I will click on this, and this will take me to this place, and I have just to wait for a few seconds, and the download will start automatically. And let's just wait. Okay, this is it. The download has already started automatically. But I will just cancel this because I have downloaded WAMP server previously. And so what I will just do right now is just to go to this to my file system, and the WAMP server I downloaded previously, I saved it on the download folder. And so I'll just come to the download folder and search for the one I have downloaded previously. And on WAMP server, look at it over here, WAMP server 3.2.3. This is the one I've downloaded previously. So I will just do this. I'll do this. Just drag it and drop it on the desktop here. Just drag it and drop it. Look at it. So let me minimize this. So now from us to install this WAMP server, I will just double click on it. And wait for the installation wizard to pop up. And here is the installation wizard with English as a default language. So we'll just click on OK, and we'll click on I accept the agreement and click on next. If you do have time, you might want to go through this information, and just click on next. And this is the installation folder. And now if you want to change the installation folder, you can click on browse, but I would advise that you leave it as it is. Leave it here and just click on next. And here we are, where we can select to install the default installation or custom installation. Well, if you are a beginner, I would advise that you go with default installation. And here these are the things that is going to be installed. But let's just select PHP 7.2.3 33. So and let's click on next. And this is telling us that a WAMP server is going to create a shortcut on the desktop. And here we click on next, and these are the summary of all the things that is going to be installed as we click on install button. So these are all what is going to be installed. So let's proceed and click on install, and this will take a minute or a few depending on the speed of your machine. So let's wait for it to complete. And here is a pop-up saying that Internet Explorer will be used by WAMP server as a default browser, but you can change this by clicking on yes. Okay, so we're gonna search for we're gonna change this to Chrome, the default browser to Chrome, and we will do this by go to C drive and go to program file and Google in Chrome, and here we are. This is Chrome. If you don't know how to do this by following this path, you can just click on the start button and search for the browser you wish. It might be Firefox, it might be any other kind of browser. Just search for it, Chrome, and here is it. You can just right click and open file location, and here it is. You can just click here and copy the path, and then go to here and paste it, and click here, and you will see the Chrome over there. Look at Chrome here. You can just click on open. Then the next one is to select the text editor that will be used by WAMP server. Here we have Notepad, but we can change this to other text editor. Let's change it to Visual Studio Code. And so I'm just gonna do the same thing by coming here and search for Visual Studio Code. Look at it here, and I'll right click and go to open file location, and I will copy this part here and just boom, come here and paste it. Click on here and look at the Visual Studio Code over here, and I'll click on open. That is all. So let's wait for it to finish the installation, and then we can proceed. And here we are. This is just telling us that we can find instructions on how to make use of WAMP server, how WAMP server works. When we go to this directory and get to this file and open it, we can just read about how WAMP server works. So let's just click on next, and let's click on finish. So we have successfully installed our WAMP server. Look at it over here. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to check if the WAMP server is installed correctly by trying to start the WAMP server. So let's just double click on it here to get it started. So let's just wait for it to fully get started. Look at it, the icon here is red, which means it has not started yet. It's on the process of getting started. When this icon turns green, it means it's now functioning, it's now working properly. So let's just wait for the icon to turn green. This will take some seconds or minutes depending on the speed of your machine. Let's click on this and let's watch it while it transforms to green. It's about to get started. Well, the icon has now turned to green, which means that our WAMP server is now running. So let's go to our browser and search for local host. Look at it. This the local host page has opened up, which means our WAMP server is working. So now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can create a project and run PHP code with WAMP server. So let's go to our file system and locate where we installed WAMP server. We stored it we installed it at the C directory, and let's look for WAMP 64. Look at it over here, and then let's go to www folder, and here we're going to be creating our project folder where we'll be saving our project file. So I'm just going to name the folder test. So here we're going to be saving our project files inside this text folder. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code, and we're going to write create a new file here. Let's create a new file, and let's save that file before we start writing any code. So we're going to navigate to our WAMP server www folder, WAMP 64 www folder. Then we're going to be saving it inside text folder. So we're going to write name this file hello world. I'm going to just output a message that says hello world .php. So let's just write a little bit code, or a PHP code that will output hello world. Let's put that. So echo. I'll wrap this within h1 HTML element so that it will be a bold text. Hello world. Okay, and let's save it, and then let's go to our browser and open that file. You can open it by saying localhost, then the folder where we save the file. We saved it at text folder, then the name of the file. Look at the name of the file here, then the extension, and let's click on enter. Look at it here, hello world. This is the page. Let's change the text there and refresh the browser. Let's see what happens. We can see hello world, please subscribe to this channel, Okay, let's save and let's go and refresh the browser. Look at it, hello world, please subscribe to this channel. Hope you have learned a lot from this tutorial, this brief tutorial. If you have learned from this, please, it will be a good thing if you like and share this video with your loved ones who are in love with web development. And I would like to especially thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you so much for watching. and God bless you. See you in the next video.